Try and understand how I feel.
He's tall.
Excuse me.
With enormous.
No one, never mind. Here we go.
Get him at all times. We don't want this guy going spinning out and getting a busload of milk.
Esta es la calle. Sí.
Stories tall.
Excuse me.
Giving her enormous strength. Hang on.
One who needs help.
I wasn't finished. Just a little something I picked up from a friend. At least we're safe. Hey, what's a...
And I swear to God, I'll